ano yung pinaka-concern mo sa katawan?
Ano, yung likod. Medyo may ano lang dito, pero office setup. So nakaupo lang siya.
Uncomfortable?
Hindi naman, parang kapag siguro pag intensive yung
Yung work?
mm,
Okay. Kapag ka sobrang tutok. Ganun. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. I'm Aster, your PT on the go. And I'm here with
Daira.
Daira. Okay. Daira, so ano yung pinaka-concern mo sa katawan?
Ano, yung likod. Medyo may ano lang dito,
Aha.
pero office setup. So nakaupo lang siya.
Uncomfortable?
Hindi naman, parang kapag siguro pag intensive yung
Yung work?
mm,
Okay. Kapag ka sobrang tutok. Ganun. Okay. So, gaano mo siya kadalas na nararamdaman?
well, hindi masyado.
On and off?
Oo. Sobrang dalang. Kapag siguro massive talaga.
Okay. So, yeah. So, I promise na hindi ka masasaktan. Okay? And hindi ka mabibitin. Parang ganun.
Sige.
So, magkakaroon tayo ng physical test. Okay? Para malaman mo kung ano yung mga hindi mo nalalaman sa katawan mo. Okay? At least para malaman natin kung ano yung pwedeng mga gawin sa'yo at hindi pwedeng gawin. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Kamusta yan?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Paanong kami?
Yung chin mo dapat hanggang dito.
Parang hindi masyado.
Hindi masyado. Okay, sige, go.
Malabo.
Kabila. Kamusta yan? Sa tingin mo, saan yung maluwag? Saan yung masikip?
Dito yung mas maluwag.
Dito yung masikip. Okay. Sige. Tingala. Okay. So, almost. Very good. Sige, push kita ha. Ready? Wait. Yep. Right there. Okay, diretso mo yung posture mo. Yep, good. Here. Anything. Up. Kamusta?
Nababan.
Nababanat lang. Walang
Sumama
masakit,
yan.
walang restriction.
May tense.
May connection dito. Okay. Sige, yuko. Push kita ha. Ready, push. Kamusta?
May dito.
Stretch, normal, or may pain ng konti?
Stretch na may
Na may?
kurot.
Na may kurot. Sige, hands, sideward. Yan. All the way up. Sige, idiretso ang siko. Idiretso ang kamay. Yep. Yan. Kamusta yung shoulders mo?
Okay.
May nangangalay? Wala.
Meron dito.
Saan? Sa lower back. Ito, more connected dito. Okay, down. All the way up. Kamusta yan? May tumunog.
Okay naman.
Okay naman? Okay, good. Sige, down. Ito tayo. Hawak. Yan. Sige. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Yan. Sige, twist. Oh. Almost. Ito yung pinaka-normal ha. Ito, this one. Right here. Okay.
Ang layo na kalbos.
Kamusta? Masikip? Tight?
Yes.
Walang pain?
Walang pain pero
Okay.
mahirap.
Okay. May sikip. Okay, ready? Inhale. Exhale, twist. Okay, good. Nice. Ito naman yan. Kamusta yan? Mas okay dito?
Mas okay dito.
Good. Same kayo ni Preng, ha? Dito sa may left. Okay, ready? Back bend. And go. Sige, dahan-dahan. Sige, go, go, go. Bend yung tuhod. Yan. Sige. Kamusta yon?
May dito.
Restriction? May pain?
May
May
tense.
tense? Okay.
Not specifically. Na
Hindi siya sobrang sakit.
Ah.
Okay, good. Tapos merong limitation, kumbaga. Okay? Sa tuhod, kamusta?
wala.
Something else na may tumutusok?
Wala.
So just relax and stay still. Magugulat ka? Yes. Kasi first time mo siyang maririnig at first time mo itong ginagawa. Okay?
Okay.
Sige, lahat ng procedure natin, sasabihin naman natin bago tayo mag-start at bago tayo mag-release para alam mo kung ano yung i-expect mo. Ready?
Okay.
Sige, go up again. Stay. Kamusta?
Okay.
Light?
Yes.
Very good. Sige, down, kabila. Kamusta?
Okay lang din.
Okay lang din? Very good. Okay. Let's see here. Relax, relax. Ako magbubuhat. Good. Yep. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Okay. Okay. Right here sa middle. Sige, up again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice one. Ready, inhale. Good. Twist and push. Good. Nice. Nothing. Good. Okay. Ready? Relax. Good. Right there. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Good. That's the rib and vertebrae number lumbar 2 and 3. Okay? Again. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice one. Good. Okay, upper side. Hiram ako ulit. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay. Sa ating sacroiliac joint or sa ating tailbone na tinatawag, ang inner hip. Okay? Open ito ng konti. Right there. Good. Ikaw yung magtataas ng dalawang paa. Diretso lang. Okay?
Pwede
kang
humawa?
Yes. Sa taas, pwede kang humawa. Yan. Okay? Get ready. Go up. Sige, taas mo. Yan. Tigasan mo itong legs mo. Good. Yan. Nice. See? Any pain?
Wala naman.
Saan mo siya narinig?
Dito.
More of here. Good. Go up. Nice. Mas mataas siya ngayon. Okay? Sige, go up again. Okay? Kabila. Very good. Mas control. Mas loose. Very good. Down. Next, sa ribs. Okay, shoulder. Good. Right there. Good. Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. When I push, okay lang yung chest mo? Okay lang?
Yeah.
Good. Ready? Again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice one. See? Okay, let's see yung kabila. Right here. Good. Get ready. Inhale. Going down. Exhale. Good. Okay, nothing.
Yeah, ako dito yung...
Pinaka-concern mo sa may right side. Let's see, sa middle. Sige, baba ng kamay. This one. There. Okay, ready, inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Nice. Good. Upper side. Right here. Good. Get ready, inhale. Exhale. Sure. Sobrang lakas. Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Next. Push ko itong nasa taas, ha? Get ready. Inhale. Going up. Exhale. Good. Nice. Right here. There. Okay. Sige, ako mag-control. Yep. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Itong sa taas. Nice one.
Wow.
Good.
Yes. Slow mo din.
Wow.
Grabe.
Hawak sa kamay ko. Dito sa taas. Ilock mo yung kamay mo. Yan. I-relax your shoulder. Ibaba ang siko. Ibaba ang siko. Baba siko. Yan. Okay. Relax shoulder. Good. Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. See that? Yun yung pinakamalalim. Yun kasi yung
Wala
pinakamahirap.
nang buto na naglagay.
Yun yung pinakamahirap kunin once na gusto mo patunogin yung sarili mo or anything else. Okay? Yun yung pinakamalalim.
Oo nga, no. Ang galing.
Okay. So, makikita natin na may patay ka ng kuko. Joke lang, joke lang.
Na hindi maganda cutics mo.
Hindi natatago ng cutics. Joke lang. Joke lang. Wala naman. Okay? Relax. Here. So, ito medyo limitation sa ating pag-flex. Okay? Right there. Okay? Ito yung upper. Ito yung pinaka-adjust natin. Relax lang. Yan. Nakikiliti ka ba? Hindi. Okay. Para siyang lupay-pay lang. Turning out. Relax mo lang. Ito yung kukunin natin. Good. Para siyang lupay-pay lang, ha? Good. Nice. See? Yung upper side. Okay? Ito naman, para sa ankle at saka sa balakang. Sa hip. Relax. Good. Nice. Kabila. So this one, turn out. Good. Relax. Right there. See? Any pain?
Wala naman.
Good. Okay. Here. Sige, hawak sa siko. Yeah, right there. Okay. Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay? Check natin dito sa kapila. Hawak sa siko. Ito, patong. Good. Yeah. Okay. Right there. Lock. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. 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 Next. That's time right there. Okay? So, hawak ka sa akin, ha? Hawak. Yan. Sige, relax mo yung shoulder mo. Good. Get ready. Inhale. Relax lang ka. Yan, baba. Inhale. Exhale. Yan, para siyang lupay-pay lahat. Okay. Good. Kamusta? Meron kang naramdaman sa lower back? Anything?
Sa lower back.
Yes. Yan yung pinaka-ayusin natin dahil yan yung pinaka-iingat. Very good to. Okay? Walang any stress sa ating wrist. Nice. Good. Good. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay. Same. Very good. Maluwag. Sa iba, sa kanila, nagkakaroon ng grinding or kumikis-kis yung iba't ibang buto. 8 pieces yung buto dyan. Pero kailangan maluwag palagi like this.
Rinig na rinig yun, no? Yung dalawa.
Okay. Here. Stretch. Okay. Good. Sa liig na. Ready? Kamusta to?
May pain.
May pain. Number 2.
May pain.
May pain. Number 3.
Okay lang.
4.
Hindi masyado.
And 5.
Ito.
Okay. So 1 and
2 and 5.
okay. Relax. So ang kukunin natin more of 1 and 2. Wait. Ipupwesto lang natin muna. Okay?
Ano ibig sabihin na?
Ng
May pain.
Pagka may pain, ibig sabihin may pressure. Yung nandoon sa pinaka-cervical spine natin. Yung sa liig mismo. Kailangan natin siya i-release para at least pagka pinindot natin ulit, wala na yung pain. Okay? So, ready? Right here. Sige, pupasto lang muna natin. Ako yung magpupasto. Relax mo ito. More of right there. Number 2. And then, side. Okay? Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Yep. Yan. Ito pa. Mas relax pa. Okay ka lang? Super dami. Okay? So, yung pinaka nakuha natin is yung number 1 and 2 and then yung lower side ng ating number 5 cervical spine. Okay? Number 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 1, 2, and 5. Same? Ready, relax. Right here. So, kukunin din natin yung same spot. Relax lang. Ipapwesto natin ng mas maayos. Good. So, right there. Twist side and then lower side. Okay? Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Yeah, ito. Relax mo ito. Para siyang lupay-pay lang, no? This one. Relax mo pa. Yep, good.
Okay. Nakakagulat.
Bite your teeth. Normal. Okay? Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Okay? Get ready. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax. Shoulder. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. First stretch. Kamusta yun? Naipit ba yung hikaw mo? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Okay? Sige. Inhale again. Sa ilong. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Yep. Good. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Good. That's one. Nice one. Good. Okay. Relax. Pakiramdaman ng sarili. Inhale and exhale. Anything na ngalay, anything na pain sa muscles, magkakaroon siya ng gradually subside after a minute or 2 minutes. May masakit? Okay, relax lang. Okay, let's see. Very good. Faster recovery after nung ating paghila. Okay, so ito naman, itong fascial gland naman, if ever na meron kang nagkakaroon ng muscle pain or any pain sa muscle area, pwede mo itong gamitin. No? Mas mapapabilis yung proseso ng massage. Unlike sa traditional or manual massage, if
May pressure.
mas meron siyang vibration at mas mapapabilis lang yung pinaka proseso ng manual massage. Okay? So, yung manual massage, since yung mga nakasanayan natin is mas maraming strike or mas maraming hagod, this one ay mas less yung minute or yung oras, pero same yung proseso. Okay? Yung mga benefit na makukuha natin, especially yung vibration itself. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Relax. Good. Nice. Last one. Okay. Sa ears. Okay. Relax. Good. Ready? Snap lang, ha? Yep.
Nagagamit.
Lagi naka-headset.
Napagod.
Okay.
Bakas.
So, let's see your stress. Kung marami ka ba talagang problema sa life or hindi.
Dito ma-willy.
Dito makikita. Wait lang, ha? Relax. Good. Snap lang. Good. Okay. Nothing more. Good. So, we're done. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm here with again.
Daira.
Okay. So, kamusta ka naman after the full session?
Good. Good. Mas magaan.
Kamusta yung experience mo?
Maingay yung tunog.
Maraming tumunog?
Mm-mm.
Natakot ka?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman masakit. Nakakagulat lang.
Nakakagulat. Anything na ngalay?
So far, ito lang naman yung kanina na masakit. Pero
Kamusta ngayon yung pakiramdam mo sa lower back?
okay naman. Okay naman. Mas magaan.
Mas magaan. Very good. So, maintain a good posture. Tapos titingnan natin ulit yung pinaka lower back mo. Kung okay na ba or pantay na ba. Okay? Sige. Let's see. Stand up. Ano yung pinaka...
Wala na yung
Wala na yung
tense
masikip.
kanina.
Very good. Nice. Tingala. Nice. Okay? Check natin. Here. Ready? Go back. Sige, dahan-dahan. Huwag ka matakot. Sige, back. Very good. Up. Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Okay naman?
Okay.
Any tension?
Wala.
Wala. Okay, good. So, next, sit down. Last. Here. Okay, go. Twist. Yan. Sige, on your own. Sige, twist. Very good. Okay? So, this one, yung pinaka-normal. Kamusta ngayon yan? Kanina may tightness. Yan, napupush mo na. Mas easy?
Yes.
Good. Kabila. Yan, kamusta?
Okay naman.
Mas easy?
Yes.
Good. How was it?
Mas comfortable.
Mas comfortable. Lagi ka ba nagpapamassage?
Hindi.
Hindi naman.
Hindi.
So, first time is good?
Yes.
Babalik ka ba?
Mas malapit.
Mas malapit. Satisfied ka naman?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.